The 2014 GS350. The GS350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, moonroof, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, climate control. Come see the car for yourself.